everybody, how are you? It's me, Lindy, and welcome to a new video. So the day that I've been waiting for ever since I decided to grow my hair out again is finally here. Because today I'm going to get some long hair again. I'm literally so freaking excited about this. And yeah, I could technically just wear wigs, but I don't know if any of you have like worn wigs before, but like the idea is like great, but in reality it's kind of like a hassle. It's like fun for a party, but not for everyday use, you know, and I want to have something a little bit more permanent. So I got tape-in extensions, bitch. Oh shit. I got so much hair. I literally got 4 packs of 90 grams per piece. So this is like almost 400 grams. So yeah, I got a shit ton of tape-in extensions that I'm going to put into my hair today. I'm so excited. Also yeah, I got some darker ones because I want to have like dark streaks in my hair, you know. It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so cute. Hello and welcome to my hair dyeing station. So I'm just going to lay these out here. And then I got the hair dye. This is kind of gross. This is the hair dye that I used on my roots, but I didn't cover the bowl up. So a lot of it is like dried up. I don't know if you can see it, but I literally had like double the amount of hair dye that I have now, but everything else is just like dried up. So I think I'm just going to add some like hot water to this. And then I also got the red hair dye that I got on the rest of my head. This is kind of annoying because I wanted to have like jet black extensions, but those were all sold out. So basically this is just a very dark brown, and I don't want it to be brown, I want it to be black. So I also have to dye these black. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of stuff, and I was actually planning on like finishing my whole head today, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be possible. I think I'm going to use like the watercolor method, because that's gonna be way faster. Okay, got a beautiful glass vase. I'm just gonna put some hot water in there. Then some of the hair dye. I added some cold water because I don't want to like melt the glue off of the extensions, you know. But let's see if it works. I think it's actually fine. I mean, the glue doesn't look like it's ruined. So, sick boy! And the only problem is that it is a little bit too light though. So I do have to add some more dye to it. And then I'm just going to dye all the extensions. Oh shit! Look at all these hairs, boy! Oh, beautiful! So what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to dye the ends of the hair, and since this literally took me like less than 10 minutes, I'm just going to do the same method. It works and it's beautiful. Oh.
What is she cooking over here? Oh no, act normal. I am just chilling, nothing to see here. Damn, that was close. Now where is the food? Sniff sniff. Oh, it's just another dumb hair project. I'm out, bye.
That was a hiccup, that was not a burp. Boogie? Oh, look at the little girlie. I think that she wants to go outside.
Let me out now, por favor.
Anyways, I dyed all the hair and it's laying over here. This is a beautiful red hair. And I also dyed the black hair. So I'm just quickly going to rinse these out with cold water, and then I'm going to let them dry. And then I can finally put these bad boys in my hair. And I really want to finish it today, but I don't think that's gonna be like possible. It needs to be finished today because tomorrow I have to be somewhere and I do not want to go there with like half a head of extensions. That's gonna be so bad. Hey, I have a little problem. It's not the same color. Can you see it? I mean, on camera, it honestly doesn't look that different. Whoa, that's kind of insane though. On camera, it looks like it almost matches. But in real life, it definitely doesn't. Like, this is definitely a way brighter red. Damn, look at my hair. It's so long and pretty. But yeah, on camera, it looks almost the same. In real life, definitely different. So even though I just spent 2 hours blow drying everything, I now have to dye it again. So I'm just gonna dip them in some dye again. Hey!
Hey!
The fuck?
It's already a few hours later and I got some backup. Because like I said, it needs to be finished today because otherwise I'm going to look like a clown tomorrow. And we only have a
More like a clown tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna look like an even bigger clown tomorrow. And we only have a few hours because this all took a lot longer than I wanted to. The extensions, like the part where the glue is, those parts like didn't get dyed red, so they were like bright blonde. So what I did is I actually hand painted them all with a marker.
Oh.
It took a while, but I feel like it actually works. So what I'm now going to do is, well, what we're going to do now is we're going to tape them all in my hair. Hold this for me, please. No, I can't see anything. No. Yeah. No. Oh my god. You don't want it to touch the scope. A little bit below that. Here. Move in the mirror.
It's in. It's not.
It's in.
It's in.
Oh, that's what she said. And then I'm gonna smoosh it together. I have long hair now.
Oh.
Oh.
That is very long.
That is very long and very pretty.
Okie dokie.
Another piece? I'll move the mirror behind us.
Yip,
Yip,
yip.
yip.
Yip, yip. Goed.
Hey.
Hallo. Hallo.
Hello, baby.
Hola.
Oh, look how pretty. So pretty.
No me gusta.
So girly.
Oh.
Damn,
Long hair.
boy.
Long hair.
Look at this beautiful, luscious, long hair. Also, in case you're wondering, I got 22-inch because
Is that the most?
go big or go home. Go home. Go big or go home.
Girl home.
Go home. Okay, you can do the sandwich underneath them.
Okay.
I think that's like the best teamwork that we can do.
Yeah.
To be honest, it would be the fastest if you just did like
Everything.
everything.
But
That's not how I want to live my life. Ah, yes, perfect, beautiful.
is this the like the professional way? Of
Yeah, well.
yeah. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. This is like how they
Yeah,
do extensions.
exactly how the hairdressers do it.
All right. No.
No, but this is the way that's
the
supposed
technique.
to go. Oh my god, how do people live with these in their head?
Is it annoying already?
It's a lot of weight already.
Okay, it's op. Hey, that's my feet. Okay.
That's so
That's my seat.
cute.
Not anymore, bitch.
Next row is going to be the fun row. I got the black hair extensions, which are looking very crusty.
Why is that?
I don't know. I guess it's gonna match my natural hair state, so. Oh my god, that's gonna be so sick.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So sick, boy. Oh my god.
Oh.
Hey. It is the next day already because yesterday I was just kind of over it. You know, it was already like 10 o'clock at night and I just wanted to not touch my hair. I do have like one little problem, and that is that I definitely put too many extensions on the back of my head. Like I almost put them like on top of each other. So now I don't have a lot of extensions left to put on like the top part of my head. And this is like the most important part, you know? I mean, this is like the part where everybody's gonna like tell whether I have extensions or not. I might end up taking some extensions out of the back and then placing them on the front. I generally like to wear my hair up. I saw that if you wanna do that with extensions, you have to like stick them on diagonally. So then if you pull your hair in a ponytail, then it just like flips over like this. So I think I'm gonna try and do that. Okay. Ooh, headache. Pretty. Can I pull it behind my ear? Oh, that's kind of weird. What? It may be ripping some of my hair out, which is definitely not a good thing. So I might end up with a few bald spots. But you know, I've been bald twice in my life before and every time my hair grew back. So hopefully that's gonna happen this time too. So far, it's looking very fake. Look at this. Oh, I have 10 more pieces, so that means like 5 places where I can put them. Ugh, and I think I really need to focus on the front, which I feel like is also just going to make it look very fake. But yeah, it's already looking fake right now, so I guess I don't have a choice and I just have to put them really far up front, because this is just no. Okay, let's see if it looks better now. I don't know. I mean, the problem is that my hair is just a different color. I'm like spending so much time on my hair, but honestly, I don't even know if I like myself with long hair. It just looks, I don't know, it just looks weird to me. I should have already thought that through before I spent hundreds on extensions and then spent hours on putting them in my hair. I'm gonna just put like the last few pieces in my hair off camera because I really need to focus while doing this because I do want it to look good, you know? And then I'll show you the end result. Oh shit! Oh my god, it actually looks so good. I actually cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Just look at it. I really did that. Don't ask me how, but I really just did that. The color match still isn't perfect, but I have something for that. Wait. I got a little spray bottle and I put some hair dye in it. So if I think it doesn't match up enough, I just spray some hair dye. Just spray some hair dye on my hair. It actually works. Yeah, this just prevents me from having to dye my entire head of hair, because that's gonna take a long time. Especially since I now have 22 inches of hair. And I think that like the average person is not gonna see that I'm wearing extensions because I did a pretty decent job at blending them. But if you like no hair, then you're definitely gonna see it.
Hey.
Hey, what do you think of my hair?
I like it. I like it a lot.
And you helped me. I couldn't have done it without you.
No, I know. I did a good job, right?
I mean, I probably could have.
No, you don't.
No?
No.
Oh, okay, no, I couldn't have done it. This was today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Well, I haven't said that in like a year.
Oh, you said it now.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Kiss, kiss, bye bye.